Share. Hello all, hope you enjoyed my last video. So my last video is all about assembly and MCP CPS LED, and this video will see about how to assemble an driver based LED bulb. So most of the high quality bulbs are driver based, so please do watch and learn how to make an driver based LED bulb. So in a driver based LED bulb, as you are aware, we need an LED driver instead of just having an MCPCB board in MCPCB LED bulb. So this is my driver, you are all aware of it. So here you have two terminals, the positive negative, which goes to the LED driver. Maybe the red is positive and black is negative, and here you have two terminals which is connected to the main power supply. So let's start. I take the driver, this is my housing, and here inside the housing you have a cut, and first what I do is I just place my driver inside. I place my driver inside this housing. Then I have two terminals here, and this is how my B22 cap looks. Here you have two holes here. So what I am supposed to do is I just insert this housing driver in the B22 cap and take the two terminals outside of this hole. So I just keep it like this and place it and ensure both my terminals come out. So I'll just give a cut, and now what I do is I'll just solder this part. So I use my soldering rod and just solder this part. Let me do it. So I just solder it. Just solder it. So once I'm done with my soldering, my base is ready now, and now I can also just, as you are aware, this B20 is not fixed with this, so I'll just use this and do the punching right now. So ensure I'll just do punching. So the punching is made. So once the punching is made, now you have very good grip. The B20 gap and housing is placed. The same procedure is repeated. So now we use the housing, piece of housing. Take a housing, just take it from outside. Just fix this heat sink here. Now you take a heat sink and just fix the heat sink inside. So with the help of Tika machine, so just place it here and just give a punch. So once you give a punch, my heat sink is now fixed, has a very good grip with the housing, and it does not come out. It's so fixed, so tightly. So then now we take an LED PCB based LED bulb Here the difference is in MCPC based LED bulb, converting into low voltage is done within this board itself. Here IC here, which does the part. Whereas in driver based, the driver does all this converting into low voltage, and the driver does all the conversion. And I'll just, and here you have two terminals, positive and negative. You can see here there are two terminals, positive and negative. So the positive should be negative, the positive and negative should be given to the negative. So before I just apply this, and here, as you are aware, there are two holes here where this should be screwed with this, so that it has the grip. So before I apply, let me apply a small amount of heat sink paste. So apply a heat sink paste. Now I insert this. So before I do, now I do this to screw it off. So I'm just screwing it off. The two screws. So I've done with the screwing. Now the positive should be connected to the positive terminal and negative should be connected to the negative terminal. So let's do this. Okay. Okay. Both the terminals are connected. Positive and negative terminals are soldered and fixed in the PCB. Almost my bulb is ready. Now I use a diffuser. So as I told you, my role of a diffuser is the scattering of these lines. So we have cut here, place it exactly the cut. Yeah, now the bulb is ready. So now the bulb is ready for testing. So let's use a holder, B22 holder, and just test the bulb. So I'll just remove. You just test it right now. Okay, we'll just test it. We'll just test it right now. Okay, just use it. I'm just pressing here. Very good. The bulb is ready. So the difference in this diode-based LED bulb and the previous MCPC LED bulb is, in diode-based LED bulb, maybe the luminance, the brightness in this bulb is slightly much more better than an MCPC based LED bulb. Thanks for watching this video. In this next video, let's discuss the various other products that are available in LED bulbs. Thank you.